Okay, guys, there should be $2,000 here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 $100 bills, guys. $1,000. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $1,000 that somebody just sent to me in the mail, guys. And inside is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, this is $1,000. Okay, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000. Woohoo! So much more to come, guys. We're killing it. Do not miss the boat. Click on the link, message me, whatever you need to do to get in touch with me. And let's get it rolling, guys, because you can do this too. Come on. Talk to you later. Got the camera on this where you can see it. Here's 1. Well, let's see here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 220, 230, 250, $250, guys, right there that I just got from my post office. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of hard to hold my phone. 3, 4, 5. $500. And let's count the money. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 $100 bills, guys, in the post office box. Cash. So this come all the way from Louisiana. And, okay, she sent me a money order for $200. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of windy out here. $200 money order. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $800. $200 money order. Guys, that's $1,000. Okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000. Woohoo! Okay, let's count the money. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $1,000 that I just went to the post office and took out of the mailbox, guys. Really works. People really do send money in the mail. And the amazing part is, guys, these sales are closed for us by our mentor, Vic Hutchinson, 3 times a week.